Hey, hold on. Yeah, it's that big T and T Farley, you feel me? We about to set this hoe off, man. Hey, shout out to TCC. I said TCC. I'm high as fuck. I'm at CTC, bro. CTC. Yeah. Known to do dirty things up in the bed. Known to get a bad bitch to come and get me head. Oh, give me some bread, aka that green. And I don't mean the stuff that I'm smoking on that lean. Yeah, I mean money, aka paper. Shit is so tight up, it is gripped up like a stapler. Had it together like some folded up paper. It's that big T, see my bitch, I just drape her, don't rape her. And I love her and I hug her. Give me that baby oil up on the backside and I rub her. I stuttered on my rhyme, but I don't care. Like I said in everything, I'ma pull the weave up out the bitch's hair. I'm so dairy, no I'm not, I am scary. And don't call me Larry, a Harry, a Gary. Bitch, I'm not hairy, no I'm nude. And I'm nice, opposite of rude. I am smooth on my groove, bitch I'm so cool. Known to rep it up with that CTC crew. So I'ma stop down what I'm gonna do. And let's see what Tristan Farley can do.
Okay. Yeah, that nigga killed that hoe though, on the cool though. Real nigga shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Unlike my bro, I don't really love them hoes. I straight out them bitches, I'ma fucking duck that hoe.
Yeah.
Watch me come through, nigga, rolling with the flow. Jumping off the pills, yeah, I'm gone with the motion. Earth, wind, and fire, yeah, I'm gone with the wind. Chilling in the fucking red rips, black beans. Smoking on some fire, yellow kush when you ain't twins. Broken on this twin, yeah, we spent about 20 to get a G of this dro of this good. It's going down good, all in the nigga hood. You better feel good, motherfucker feel great. Can't fucking feel me like a fucking plate steak. I say it, I didn't mean to say that shit, but I will come back and straight nut on her lip, nut in her stomach, nut all yeah, let the bitch eat it up like some fucking gummy bears. I don't fucking care. I fuck that bitch and I will pull out her hair. I pull her hair. I suck her hair, she suck me down, motherfucker, what it is, yeah. Yeah, we throw better hit the fucking lights. Watch me come through and knock that bitch with my pipe. I'm fucking on these hoes, I'm slapping all they mama. Watch me come through, fucking jumping on vaginas. I'm diving in that bitch, yeah, I'm deep. I'm coming down deep, then a bitch standing 6 fucking feet with her fucking toes up. Saying, oh fuck, I can't go. I'm just gonna pass that bitch to my bro, yeah.
Alright, bro. Hey, Ryan, you want to spit a note, bro?
No, hell no.
Alright, bro. Should I get it again, bro?
Let's say something, right?
Yeah.
Let's say something.
Alright, he ain't gonna say nothing. Alright, I'll see what I can do. Let's see what I can do. Alright, yeah. Hey, round 2, bro. Round 2, yeah. So clean air around me, not farting on the toilet bowl. I'm clean, not fucking sharting, not fucking. Don't know what that mean. All I know is that I'm throwed off smoking that fucking green. What you mean that dro? Oh, that kush. Like Josh Moore behind me and not straight push. AKA lineman, the running back blocking. You with your girl, man, I'm not cock blocking, but socking. AKA chilling in my streets with the CTC crew, chilling on these beats. Known to rap, make people jump up off their feet. Known to get some bad bitches down up on my meat. That shit grows monthly, don't deplete. Whoops, I meant daily, bitch, what do I mean? Like I said before, I'm just toed off that green. So I'ma hand it to T Farley, bitch, you mean?
I ain't heard shit, but I'm out this bitch. I'm gonna jump off the fucking crew, off the ship, and watch me hit it fucking run. I'ma hit it straight thuggin'.
Yeah.
I'm thuggin' with my brothers, oops. I met my cousin, so it don't matter. We all living good. We fresh up out the hood, so a nigga living good. I gotta get all this money fucking payday. I'm coming through eating these niggas like a payday.
Yeah!
And watch me go, watch me skate, watch me flow, watch me break a bitch, please play. I fuck that bitch. I do her bad. I fucked her daddy up, fucking with my bags, yeah. He tried to grab my shit, so I split, I fit. I split that pussy on the clit, I put my dick, I insert it, don't work it. Baby girl, please fast, don't work it. I'm up early in the morning, gotta get it. Sipping on this liquor, all fucking dentist. I don't care, I don't play. ACL ain't where a nigga stay. Texas, boy, on the map. I come through and knock the bitch nigga on his back. Now he laying on his back like he posing for a hoe. If you acting like a bitch, you gotta go, hey.
Big T and T Farley, you feel me?